Kipper stories, written by Roderick Hunt and illustrated by Alex Brichter, provide a rich context to help develop language and comprehension in decoding skills. First sentences and more first sentences A, B, and C introduce children to stories told through complete sentences to provide practice of high frequency vocabulary to build confidence and fluency. Pattern stories and more pattern stories. A practice vocabulary in the context of a repeated sentence structure to help develop confidence and fluency. This is what ORT is. ORT means Oxford Reading Tree. As the tree builds its leaves, branches, and more, so it grows from letters to words, words to sentences. And then you can make sentences of your own by describing the pictures, looking at the pictures. Hello friends, Sarah here. Hope you're good. This is a new story I brought for you. The Lost Teddy. As you can see that this is the title page and the name of the story, The Lost Teddy, is written here. You can see Mom and Kipper standing on a footpath waiting for a double-decker bus. We can see a big road and a footpath, a lamppost. Kipper is holding a teddy bear in his hands. The color of the teddy bear is brown. We can see an aeroplane flying in the sky. We can see an aeroplane fly high up in the sky. The color of the sky is blue and the color of the clouds are white. We can see a dog running on the grass and the color of the grass is green. Behind Mom and Kipper there are some bushes and we can see that the color of the bushes are green. And the color of the double-decker bus is also green. Double-decker bus means a bus on top of another bus, two buses. That is called a double-decker bus. The story is that Mom had to go to an eye specialist, so she could have gone walking, but she thought of an idea that Kipper is also fond of traveling in a double-decker bus, so she could also reach the destination in time. So she took Kipper along with her for company, and then she said that we can take a double-decker bus so Kipper will be happy. Kipper is fond of traveling in a double-decker bus because he thinks that he will go on the top story and he will sit on the front seat thinking and imagining that he is the driver, he's the world's most favorite driver. On this page you can see Mom and Kipper are getting off the bus and Mom is holding Kipper's one hand and helping him getting off the bus, and Kipper is holding the handle of the bus. You can see a floor, we can see two windows, a door, and some people are standing outside on the road. And you can see a bus seat, red color of bus seat, and a teddy is lying on the bus seat, sitting there. Kipper has forgotten his teddy bear and in a hurry. They have reached the destination and they want to get off the bus and they are in a hurry. And Kipper has forgotten his teddy bear. Oh my God. On this page we can see that Mom and Kipper are standing on a footpath. And oh, the bus has gone, the double-decker bus has gone. Mom, I forgot my teddy bear on the bus seat. Oh my God, now what? There's a man going on the footpath and you can see bubble top. So Kipper is thinking, oh my God, I left the teddy bear. Where did I leave it? It was on the bus seat and I forgot and I came down in a hurry. The bus has gone now. We can see some smoke from the bus coming out. And there's a car behind and Mom is holding a wallet in her hands. Look at Kipper's face. Oh, I forgot my teddy bear. It is night time and you can see Kipper is very sad. He is crying. Kipper is sitting on his bed and along with him is his siblings Biff and Chip. Both of them are trying to convince Kipper Take my toy. This is very nice. This is my favorite one. But Kipper is insisting on the same old thing, that I want my own toy. I don't want your toys. I want the toy that I have left in the bus. On his bed we can see 2 pillows, a quilt, 3 stuffed toys which his siblings are giving him, and we can see a big window. We can see it is dark outside, it is night time. That is why the lamp is on. We can see 2 curtains, a scenery, a clock, a chair, a lamp, and a bedside table. We can see tears in Kipper's eyes. Kipper is crying. He's very sad. And he is wearing a red color off-night suit. Both Biff and Chip are saying, it is night right now, so we can't do anything. We can't help you out. Let's help you in the morning. We'll try something in the morning. We'll ask Mom to do something in the morning. In the morning, Mom contacted the bus department and came to know that all the properties left in the bus are kept in a lost property office. So Mom took Kipper along with her to the lost property office. You can see Mom is opening the door of the office, and the name of the office is Lost Property Office. This is that office where the things that you have left in the bus or you have forgotten in the bus are kept safe here, and you can come and claim for your things. So Mom is opening the door of the Lost Property Office. Outside you can see some buses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buses. 5 double-decker buses are standing in a row, and outside we can see 3 conductors. Conductors are those people who give you tickets to go to a destination. So Mom and Kipper are going to the Lost Property Office. We can see a table, and behind the table is a woman, a receptionist, and she's asking, how may I help you? Over here you can see in the table there is a glass mirror, and there are gloves, jaws, teeth, artificial teeth. There are some umbrellas, 1, 2, 3 umbrellas, and hats, 1, 2, 3, 4 hats are there. Sticks, walking sticks are there, and there are 2 cartons, a red carton and a brown one. One carton is full of glasses, and the other one is full of stuffed toys. So let's see if Kipper finds his toy in this carton. This is the last page of the story. We can see that Kipper is too happy. The woman shows him that, is this your teddy bear? Can you define? So she finds out in the box of the stuffed toys what kind of teddy bear is Kipper's. So Kipper says, yes, this is my teddy bear. Oh wow, thank you so much. Thank you Mom, thank you Auntie. And she says, this is my teddy bear, and Kipper is too happy. You can see his teeth. So this is the story, The Lost Teddy. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do, and always please do comment. I appreciate your concern. Thank you so much.